Union Minister Ravneet Singh Bittu after controversy over his comment on Rahul Gandhi, referring to Rahul as terrorist number one. But he's defiant, escalating his attack on Rahul Gandhi. He's now told and dared Rahul Gandhi to actually go ahead and condemn Khalistani terrorist Pannoon first. Remember, Pannoon had endorsed what Rahul Gandhi said on 6. Bittu has said that both Kharge and Rahul Gandhi must first apologize. He's been booked, remember, for his comment calling Rahul Gandhi terrorist number one. But Bittu remains defiant, saying very clearly that first Rahul Gandhi should apologize.
इस बयान पर क्या आपको खेद है?
नहीं, मुझे क्यों खेद होगा? मुझे खेद क्यों होगा ये बताइए ना। हम पंजाब ने हमने तो यार अपनी पीढ़ियां खो दी। पंजाब आग में जला दिया इस गांधी फैमिली ने। आप सुनिए जो बयान राहुल गांधी ने दिया वे सिखों को, आप सब खड़े हैं, कोई बोल दो। मैं मेरे सामने, आप तो मीडिया है, कोई प्रश्न कर सकते हो। आपको कोई सिख मिला जो राहुल गांधी ने कहा है भी किसी को पगड़ी बांधने नहीं दी जा रही? मैं कहता हूं ये माफी खड़गे साहब को माननी चाहिए भी जो राहुल गांधी और पन्नू ने कहा है। आप स्पष्ट करें, कांग्रेस क्या राहुल गांधी के बयान पे खड़गे साहब ये मानते हैं भी पंजाब में या देश में सिखों को ये चीज करने की इजाजत नहीं है?
Okay, so that's the reaction coming in from Union Minister Ravneet Singh Bittu. Even as an FIR has been filed against him, even now he's maintained that first Kharge and Rahul Gandhi should apologize for the comments made against Sikhs, and has said there's no question of apologizing, particularly when Khalistanis have backed what Rahul Gandhi has said on Sikhs in the United States. Bittu now faces an FIR. He's been condemned widely by the Congress, who are all upping the ante, demanding his apology, but he's refused now to apologize. And there's been a big showdown over exactly this, as a letter war has broken out. BJP chief JP Nadda has come down heavily on Congress after Kharge on Tuesday wrote to Prime Minister Modi over threats to Rahul Gandhi. In a letter to the Congress Supremo, JP Nadda has questioned why Congress then is mum on abuses that are levelled at Prime Minister Modi. Now, hitting out, Nadda claimed Rahul Gandhi is with pro-Pakistan and anti-India elements, and that Rahul goes abroad and pledges to end reservation. Now, Nadda's response comes after Kharge shot off a letter to Prime Minister Modi asking him to discipline his netas and take action against those abusing leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi. Ravneet Singh Bittu, whose reaction we just played out, has been booked in Bengaluru for his comment calling Rahul Gandhi terrorist number one.
Now it is very clear that Mr. Nadda and Modi has only cleared the statement of Mr. Bittu, who has called terrorist, opposition leader as terrorist. This kind of violent methodology is being used by Godse, and this is the second version of the Godse war. We all know that BJP and RSS has links with Godse, and here also again this same Godse war is coming to again in a new version. It is Godse 2.0, and Mr. Nadda is supporting the Godse war 2.0. It is very unfortunate a cabinet minister who has taken oath on this country's constitution is speaking like this as the president of the party of BJP, which is main ruling party, is blaming the opposition party this way, and opposition leader like this way is unacceptable, and we will continue to go to people and we will not be afraid to speak the truth. Our leader Rahul Gandhi ji has always wanted unity and love and affection in this country. For that only he had walked 4,000 kilometers. He has spread love and affection. He tried to stop the hate on which BJP and RSS grooms.
क्या नड्डा साहब बिट्टू जी के स्टेटमेंट को सही मान रहे हैं? क्या ये स्टेटमेंट सही है कि नेता प्रतिपक्ष को कहा जाए कि तुम्हारा भी हश्र वही होगा? क्या ये स्टेटमेंट एक मिनिस्टर की तरफ से एक देश के नेता प्रतिपक्ष के लिए है? क्या वो सही है? क्या नड्डा साहब उसको सही मान रहे हैं? अब अगर दूसरों ने गलती की है तो आप उन गलतियों को ये कह करके बच नहीं सकते कि साहब आपने भी गलती की है तो हमने भी गलती की है। अगर किसी ने गलती की है तो आप अपनी बात करिए ना, क्या आप उसको सही मान रहे हो? देखिए, ये देश के अंदर बहुत गलत बात पैदा की जा रही है और इस प्रकार की भाषा का उपयोग नहीं होना चाहिए, किसी भी सूरत में नहीं होना चाहिए। आपके लोग लगातार गाली बोलते हैं, लगातार बुरा बोलते हैं। गिरिराज सिंह किस भाषा में बोलते हैं, बिट्टू जी ने किस भाषा के अंदर बात किया, तो आप उसके ऊपर बात करते नहीं, आप दूसरी तरफ फोकस करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। तो नड्डा साहब क्या उनकी बातों को जस्टिफाई कर रहे हैं, अपने मिनिस्टर की बात को, कि उन्होंने जो कहा है राहुल जी के लिए, इनको माफी मांगते हुए क्यों डर लगता है या क्यों शर्म आती है? लेकिन भाजपा के लिए संस्कार नहीं है कि वो माफी मांगे।
Well, everyone knows who spread the communal sentiment in the country and who carries on the communal sentiment in the country. I mean, targeting Sikh, the most nationalist community, and winning elections was Mr. Rajiv Gandhi's strategy and part of the Indira Gandhi's strategy and Sanjay Gandhi's strategy. Just part of the book named Khalistan Conspiracy and his book, both by G.B.S. and Kuldeep, both have said categorically that it was Congress party which planned the complete what happened in Punjab. But the issue is on the Bittu state. When Mr. Rahul Gandhi goes abroad and tells a Sikh student that you are treated as second-class citizen in the country, and sorry, when he goes and says that Sikhs have been discriminated because they are not allowed to wear turban, or not allowed to wear kada, or not allowed to go to Gurdwara, and the people who are sitting in front of me are people who have been sponsored by Sikh for Justice. So if that is the case, then it's clearly that knowingly or unknowingly, Mr. Rahul Gandhi is part of the larger conspiracy of the Pakistan, which is a K2 conspiracy, Khalistan and Kashmir put together. When he meets Ilan Omar, that leads to that. That why meeting Ilan Omar, who wants to segregate Kashmir from the India, and also why you issue statement which helps the Khalistani element. So somehow it is that, yes, he is speaking the language which suits the Khalistanis or which suits the separatists.